Hello, welcome to video 7. My series for algebra. The last video I'm going to make is going to be about evaluating expressions. Evaluate basically means you're just going to put in numbers for the letters. So if I have 6y squared and I say, let y be -4. So y is -4. I'm just going to plug -4 in there and I'm going to come out with one number at the end. So 6 times -4 squared. Okay, so that's going to be -4 times -4 is 16. So it's 6 times 16, which would be equal to 96. And that is my final answer. So some of the problems may get a little more complicated, but that's the general idea. You're just going to plug in a number for that letter. Okay, so what if I had -4xy, x equals 4, y equals -5. Same thing. I'm going to say -4 times 4 times -5. So I have two negatives, so my answer is going to be positive. 4 times 4 is 16 times 5 equals 80. And the answer is going to be positive because the rule for integers is two negatives make a positive when you're multiplying. Okay, so that's it. So evaluate just means use the numbers designated for the letters and solve the equation as you normally would. And that is basically it for solving or evaluating expressions. If you have any questions, please let me know. Now, when you put in those numbers, just make sure you know what you're doing. And also, of course, you need to know what you're doing. But, sometimes I have to talk to myself and walk myself through the steps because algebra is a multi-step situation. And that's where students, I think, get a little, scared of it because it's not just, 7 times 8 equals 56. It's not something you can memorize the actual answer. You have to memorize the process to find the answer. So I have to kind of, not out loud in class, but I have to walk myself through the steps. And so that's why the more problems you do, the more confident you're going to be with solving equations. And also remember, Pemdas. Remember, if you put in the numbers for the letters, always look for the parentheses first. And make sure you go zero in to whatever's in parentheses. Then you go to the exponents, and then you multiply and divide in order left to right. Then you will add and subtract in order from left to right. And I explained this is called the order of operations. And this is always in effect, order of operations. No matter what problems that you do, you always have to keep this in mind. And I do have a video about order of operations in one of these in the series. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps, and I will see you next time.